Namaste everyone. Om Namah Shivaya. Let's start with today's session. So in this video, I'm going to explain you for all the beginners how to start your pranayama practice. Whenever I start meeting people, everyone asks me, is it really necessary to go to a yoga class just to practice pranayama? So my honest answer is absolutely no. You can practice pranayama at your own. Suppose even if you are not going to a yoga studio, but still you need to practice. And even if you are a yoga practitioner, of course you know that how to practice the pranayamas. Now, especially beginners don't know how to start pranayama, where to start pranayama, and which pranayama they should do. Now, before starting the pranayama practice, let us just understand what's the difference between the pranayama and breathing. The breathing is what we are actually doing. Maybe right now, still I'm doing, but I'm not doing pranayama, the normal inhalation and exhalation. But if you do breathing with your whole awareness, with all of your consciousness, that means you are doing pranayama. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to practice Anulom-Vilom pranayama. This Anulom-Vilom pranayama can be done by everyone. This is a beautiful practice of pranayama which can destroy a lot of inner diseases. Even this pranayama will help you to get rid of anxiety, any panic disorder, hypertension, palpitation, all these problems. Just before starting the breathing practice, I'm going to tell you that I am hosting the regular practices of yogasana, pranayama, meditation, yoga nidra, all this. So if you really want to join me on my live classes, then you can comment me and we can connect further for more details. First, we are going to just settle our breath. Before getting into the pranayama, it is very important to settle down yourself. You can place your left palm on your chest, on right palm on your abdomen. First you inhale here and exhale, open mouth. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Relax your hands. Now you can join your hands in Namaskara Mudra. We are going to chant 3 times Om just to create a vibration and to bring ourselves completely centered. Inhale. Start rubbing your palm, generate some heat, cup it on your eyes. Feel the warm sensation slowly and gradually looking through the gaps of your fingers. You may open your eyes with a bright and beautiful smile on your face. Once again, Namaste. Let us start with the practice. Now your left hand, it will be in Dhyana Mudra. And your right hand, index finger, middle finger, you can place it on your center of the eyebrows. Then you can close your right nostril and you are going to inhale first from the left. Now, this mudra where I am going to place my index and middle finger at the center of my eyebrows, this is called Nasikagra Mudra. If you can't hold this one, I can give you another option, that is Vishnu Mudra. So in Vishnu Mudra, what you have to do, same way, index finger and middle finger, fold it and place it at the base of your thumb finger. And you are going to ring finger, small finger will be straight, and then you are going to operate the nostril again with your thumb and ring finger. Make sure you are using only your thumb and your ring finger just to operate your right and left nostril. So this pranayama we are going to start from the left side. So first you close your right nostril and then inhale first from the left. Inhale. Close the left nostril. Exhale from right. Inhale from right. Exhale from left. Again inhale from left nostril. Close the left nostril, exhale from right. Keep doing like this. Take this as your last round. Make sure that you are doing your last exhalation through the left nostril. And then you are relaxing your hands simply on your knee. You can feel a quick and immediate silence and calmness in your mind, in your body. Just to end the practice of this breathing, you can slowly rub your palm. Again, generate some heat and cup it on your eyes. Then slowly looking through the gaps of your fingers, you may open your eyes. So this was the practice of Anulom-Vilom Pranayama. Now, in order to make this pranayama even more effective, try to do this pranayama little longer, at least for 5 minutes a day. If you practice this pranayama 5 minutes a day, and then you can see all the changes within yourself. So keep practicing, keep learning the new skills, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to leave a comment about the topic, and I will try to make the video as soon as possible. Thank you so much everyone. Hari Om.